Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Dawn and Zyra here, back at you again with another video. I know it's been like a week. What can I say? Okay. Anyway, I want to say thanks to everyone for subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, sharing the videos. I appreciate you all so much. So much. You don't even know, okay? Let's get right into it. That's how I do. All right, let's get it. Let's go. I don't want to hold up your time. Today we're talking about the heart chakra. Now, the reason why I'm going into the heart chakra first and not the root, because for those of you who don't know, the basic chakras, there's 7 different chakras. You have the base chakra, which is the root, the sacral chakra, solar plexus, the heart chakra, your throat chakra, your third eye, and your crown chakra. I decided I'm going to talk about the heart chakra first. Okay, the heart chakra. We're going to talk about the heart chakra first and foremost because if your heart chakra is not balanced, all right, and that's what I'll do another video on chakras and what they mean and everything, but Spirit just brought it to me to talk about the heart chakra. The heart chakra, if the heart chakra is not balanced, if your heart chakra is not open, meaning if you don't have self-love is the first love and the best love, okay, that you should have. First and foremost, before you even think about wanting to get married, be in a relationship, any of those things. If you don't love yourself, your heart chakra is not open. And being that your heart chakra is not open, don't expect your third eye to be open, because that seems to be the first chakra that everyone wants to tap into. The third eye. Let me my psychic abilities, you know what I'm saying? I want to see what's up, da. And that's awesome. That's cool, because we all have psychic abilities that we can tap into, but that's not what this video is about. If your heart chakra is not open, don't expect your root to be open, okay, where you're grounded. Don't expect your solar plexus to be open. That's self-esteem, okay? Self-confidence. Don't expect your crown and your third eye to be open, because your heart's not open. Your heart, that love center, has to be open and balanced first and foremost before any other chakra is going to be balanced or open. So this is why I came today to start on the heart chakra first. All right? Now, aside from all that, let's talk about the heart chakra. The heart chakra, the color that is associated with the heart chakra is green. And it focuses on love. The element of the heart chakra is air. And there's a mantra that I'm going to share that you can use for the heart chakra in the description box below. And that's basically it. I mean, it's not that deep. It's deep, but it's not that deep, okay? If you don't get it, if you don't understand chakras and what they are and what the chakra system is, like I said, I'll do a separate video on that, then it's just not for you. I did a spread before I started this video just to give us some leeway, you know, for the rest of this week. Now, I pulled out a card from my chakra reading cards for the chakras, and the one that came out was forgiveness. Can you see that? Forgiveness. I did a video on forgiveness earlier, a while ago. I'll leave it probably up ahead or at the end of this. But what I'm getting from this when it comes to forgiveness is to forgive yourself. Forgive yourself, all right? This is your journey. This is your journey that you're walking. So forgive yourself for getting into anything that wasn't for you, getting into a relationship that was not for you, getting into some form of job, just something that just was not for you. Maybe you got into a religion that's not for you. Maybe you're into something that's just not working, a marriage, like I said, a relationship. It's time to forgive yourself because the journey is yours. I got to do a video on this too. The journey is yours, no one else's. Walk your journey. Okay, walk your journey. We were put on this planet to do what we had to do. All right, we were not put on this planet to go the same way as everybody else. All that stuff that they show on the media, that they show on the news, you know, that we learned growing up, everybody's doing the same thing. Basically, everyone is walking down the same path, okay? And that's why there's so many people out here confused. For one, their heart chakra is not open. Okay? Their heart chakra is not open because if your heart chakra was open, you would be open to other people's ideas and the way that they see this world, the way that they see life. All right? If people want to tap into, quote unquote, their chakras, manifestations, do magic, what they call black magic, to live their life, that's what works for them, then that should be accepted. But in this society that we live in, this world that we live in, it's not. I'm going too deep. Okay, this is about the heart chakra. Okay, let me finish this reading. Don't back down. Okay, don't back down. Don't back down. Don't back down. Just walk your journey. Continue to walk your journey. Forgive yourself. And focus on, if you're into chakras, focus on opening your heart chakra first. The heart chakra. Open up your heart chakra first before any other chakra. Because if there's no love here, especially love for self, don't expect your third eye to be open. Don't get upset if you're having trouble, you know, I'm doing everything that they're telling me, but I'm not seeing it. My psychic abilities are not working. Did you work on your heart chakra first? Ask yourself that question. Okay? And I'll get deeper into the heart chakra by itself, but Spirit wanted me to do this mini reading that I did. And just to let y'all know, you know, forgive yourself. Just forgive yourself for not following your intuition, for not following what source is giving you. Okay? I really want to go deeper, but this is about the heart chakra, so I'm just going to leave it at this. Focus on your heart chakra. Your heart chakra is your love center. This is where every other chakra, when your heart is open, every other chakra, it will open up. I'm going to leave a link to a video I did on self-love and the personal development, because that's where it's all going to start. The personal and the self-development, because that's showing love for yourself. And the self-love video that I did, and I kind of touched on a little bit about chakras in that video, explaining some things. I'll leave that video at the end of this video. So this is Dawn and Dara here, back at you again. If you're interested in chakras, the first chakra that you should be interested in opening up is your heart chakra. Okay? And I'll do a different video where I just talk about the color and everything like that, but I do what I'm guided to do. Okay? So I want to say thank you all for watching. This is Dawn and Dara here. back at you again. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.